Welcome to Easy English Podcasts. This is 1 Minute English Mindset, a space where we help you grow slowly, calmly, and naturally in your English journey. If you enjoy learning with meaning and peace, don't forget to subscribe and like this episode. We create thoughtful English to help you speak with confidence. Now take a deep breath and listen with your heart. Many people do not speak English because they feel they are not ready. They wait. They wait for the right words. They wait for the right grammar. They wait until they are perfect. But in this waiting, they lose something very important, the chance to grow. They listen to podcasts. They watch videos. They read books and take notes. They study vocabulary. But when it is time to speak, they freeze. Their heart beats fast. Their mind says, I'm not good enough. I'll wait a little longer. And they stay quiet. But this silence does not help. It only makes the fear bigger. It makes the voice inside stronger. The voice that says, you will make a mistake, or people will laugh, or you don't speak like a native. And so they wait more. They keep learning, but not speaking. The truth is, no one ever feels 100% ready. You do not wake up one day and suddenly speak perfectly. Speaking is not the result of learning. It is part of learning. You learn through speaking, not only before speaking. Speaking is a tool, not a reward. Imagine a small child. The child wants to talk. They try to say apple, and maybe they say appa. It's not perfect, but everyone smiles. The child laughs, and next time they say it better. That child is not afraid to try. They know something you may have forgotten. We learn by doing. You are like that child. You are growing. Your English is not perfect, but that's okay. It's real. It's honest. And it's improving every time you use it. Every word you say matters. Every mistake teaches you something. Every small effort is progress. Waiting for perfection is a trap. It feels safe, but it keeps you in the same place. It's like standing at the edge of a pool, waiting to swim. You read about water, you watch others swim, you even learn the moves, but until you step in, you don't really learn. The real learning begins when you start. Speaking English is the same. You can prepare forever, but the moment you speak, even a little, you grow, you build confidence, you hear yourself, you learn what sounds natural, you learn what you need to improve. This is how language works. So what can you do? Start small, say one sentence. Talk to yourself in English when you wake up. Describe your breakfast. Say, today is a good day. Look in the mirror and say, I believe in myself. Practice short phrases. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Speak out loud when you watch an English video. Repeat what the speaker says. Try to copy their rhythm. Don't wait to feel ready. Use speaking to feel ready. This is your power. And if you're afraid of making mistakes, remember this. Mistakes are good. They show that you are trying. They show that you are brave. Every fluent speaker made many mistakes. Every teacher, every podcaster, every learner, everyone started somewhere. They were not perfect. They were just brave enough to try. The people who succeed in language learning are not the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who keep going. They speak even when they are unsure. They ask questions, they make errors, and they learn from them. Your brain is powerful. It learns faster when you use the language. Not only study it, when you speak, you create stronger connections. You remember words better. You understand grammar in real life. You begin to feel the language, not just study it. Don't wait for your accent to be perfect. Don't wait until you have 5,000 words in your memory. Don't wait for someone to say, now you are ready. You decide when to begin, and the best moment is now. Even if your sentence is simple, even if you say just, I like coffee or I'm learning English, it matters. It's a step. One small sentence can change your confidence, and confidence grows with action, not with waiting. Use the words you know. Don't try to say everything perfectly. Don't try to sound like someone else. Speak with your voice. Speak with your courage. Speak from where you are now. It's okay to pause. It's okay to search for a word. It's okay to feel nervous. These feelings are part of growth. Every time you try, you get better. Every time you speak, you become more fluent. Even when it feels small, it's not. It's a step towards something bigger. And remember, English is not a test. It's not something you pass or fail. It's a tool, a bridge, a way to connect, to share, to understand. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Show up, try, speak. So today, speak one thing. Talk to your pet. Talk to your notebook. Talk to your reflection. Speak in English with no fear. Let your voice grow, even if it shakes. Your journey is your own. Go at your speed. Be kind to yourself. But don't stay silent. Don't let fear steal your growth. You are ready now, not because you are perfect, but because you are willing. You are here. You are listening. You are learning. And that means you are already growing. Thank you for being here with Easy English Podcasts. If this message helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it too. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be brave.